Test natin Army Armament TTI Master Alpha. Color black. So naka metal slide, metal yung frame. Naka compensator, threaded. Naka under rail for attachment. And then may MOS base plate na. And then markings is license. So naka-staple yung grip. May magwell with TTI markings. Naka-hammer pad protection na rin. And then barrel is fixed. Outer barrel. Magazine capacity is 50 rounds with TTI base plate. Price is 8,000. Available in black and two-tone. Test natin. Shoutout kay Sir Sebastian. 369, 340, 333. For details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavsabi Shop.